Australians, and today we're going to be unboxing the new Zuru slime Mart. Let's get onto it. There we go. Let's see what's inside. There's so much stuff. We first have mini sprinkles. We have something that I'm not sure. It's a mystery. We have the donut making thing, mold. We have two. That's not it. We have two of these. This, I'm not sure what it is. It might be a bag or something. Slime something. We have the instructions, that's what we need. And the dough, I guess. Let's get started. That was our donut molds. This is the dough, this is the mold. So let's get it open. Okay. So this is the door. It looks like cheese. So we're gonna get a little bit. That looks opener. Maybe just a little bit more. And we're gonna smush it all together. Then I'm going to put it in the mold. By the way, everything that I'm using comes with it. Everything. That's all ready. So now it should look like this. You will scrape all of the edge off. Now let's open it. Now it's perfect donut. So if you can pop that out. So now you're going to carefully remove the donut. Perfect. Two perfect donuts. So now we're going to be putting our... Now what do we put on? We will put our... So we've done the molding. Now we're going to open this mystery packet up. Okay, so it comes with these two packets. Yes. This little pot. And anything else? Yep. A little cute pictures. So you are gonna, and then you're gonna put them on your donut. I'm gonna first do this one. So now you're gonna kinda like shade it, I guess. So if you just shade, I'm just going to cover it all with what I did before. So I put a little bit on one, a little bit in the other, and I just put it on. Now we've finished doing both donuts. So now we are going to be putting on our frosting on. This one I'm going to be doing pink. Let's get it cut. Pink frosting on one of it. So now we are going to cut. Actually, write down in the bottom what one should we do. We're going to do great suggestion. Let's do brown. Right. So now it's ready. We can unscrew. Oh. So I guess we just put it over. I guess and just make it look chocolate. I'm not going to be putting too much because it might make it a bit messy. Perfect. Now we've finished by making our first donut. Now we're going to be doing our pink. Ta-da! We need to cut out. So snip out pink. I think I'm going to do this thing, what I did with the pink and it's chocolate. Let's squirt it on. Ooh, this one's so shiny. So if I just swirl it on, it should look a little bit like a donut. Right, so now I'm going to be putting it on the, I'm going to do it kind of like a real pink donut. I just put it, it just droops down the side of it. Right, perfect, that looks so good. I'm going to put a little bit more on the chocolate. That's all sticky and sticky. That's okay, that's what art is sometimes about. How good it is and stuff. I think we're just about going to have enough. I think most of it is probably on the floor. Right, let me go wash this sticky stuff off. Right, after our donut is finished with its sprinkles. That looks pretty good. Now let's pour it onto the brown one. So if we just, the brown one I can definitely say was very, very messy. Very messy. Got all over my hands. Wow, we basically used all of the sprinkles. Now I'm just gonna a little bit more. I need to be very careful. I hope you liked it today. Now we are finished making our artwork. Make sure you hit the below button and you comment what one you like, the pink or brown. Leave it down in the comments. Bye! Make sure you go check out Alyssa's Bye! Nice baby.